Hey all, so today I'm going to do chicken moo in two different ways. I'm going to do a jicama chicken moo and I'm going to do a European radish chicken moo and then a combination of the two. So the best of both worlds. So jicama is a starchy vegetable like a potato and an apple combined. It is has a lot of moisture to it. It's somewhat sweet, but then it has the starchiness to it. So pickling it is a good use for it. It holds up a long time. It remains crunchy throughout, and it'll hold in kimchi for months. Not that you want kimchi lasting for months, but it will be the crunchy element that remains throughout. And you can also use it as a water chestnut replacement for stir fries and salads and such. I'm just going to break this down, clean it up, and then cube it into little 3/8 or half-inch cubes. And now for the brine, it's pretty simple. It's 2/3 cup of sugar, 2/3 cup of vinegar, and then I'm going to use 2 cups of water. And this is for 2 pounds, so scale accordingly. Now in Mexico, the street vendors will serve jicama sliced into sticks and dusted with tahini, which is a mix of chili powder, salt, and lime, which, just FYI, is also excellent on popcorn. Once your brine's mixed up, put it into a clean container, one you've sterilized, and put it in the fridge. And in a couple hours, it'll be ready to eat. Best is overnight, 3 or 4 hours, it could be used. Now, in this area of Mexico I'm living, the daikon radish and Korean radish are not available. So the closest I can find are the little European red radishes. Daikon and Korean radish might be available in Mexico City or Guadalajara, but in this area it's a little bit more remote. I'm down by the border of Guatemala. The more exotic recipe items do not make it down here that often, and if they do, they are snatched up almost immediately. So you have to make do with what you got. So I visited a Korean restaurant the other day, and I was having Korean fried chicken, but I was missing chicken moo. I was craving it. For those of you that may not know, the chicken moo, the reason it goes with Korean fried chicken so well is it cuts through the heaviness of the sauce and the fried food, so it doesn't weigh on your stomach as much, and it's refreshing. It's a nice little palate cleanser. Anyway, so I made some suggestions to the restaurant owner, and I sent her a link to my old video, Hika Chika Moo. I rewatched it, and I was like, wow, that needs to be redone. So here we are, redoing this video. This one's already taken on a pink tone because of the skins. Okay, so these are the 3 different varieties. We have a straight radish. This is European radish chicken moo. This is the jicama chicken moo. And this is a mix of both. So there's elements. This is a piece of jicama and radish. It's got a good taste to it. That's good as well. A little bit different texture. I think I like the mixture of the two. It works. I think the takeaway is that the brine works for the jicama, it works for the radish, and the combination of the two works as well. Whatever you have on hand and whatever you can find locally, you can make a decent substitute for chicken moo. Now with this much chicken moo on hand, I need to go and make some Korean fried chicken, or order in, one of the two. Anyway, thanks for watching. I just get these little wild hairs and I have to do little experiments and stuff. So if you've made it this far in the video, I appreciate you sticking it out. Give this a try. The basic brine can be used for pretty much any vegetable and even some fruits, but mostly it's just vegetable brine. But give it a try. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Anyway, hasta.